So this is the unboxing of the zray Evasion Deluxe E10. It's 9 foot 9 inches, 3 inches wide, 5 inches deep. All round multi-board, warnings, 15 psi, 110 kg weight limit. This one comes with its own paddle and a pump and a bag. And why I got it as well is I'm hoping these points here will be good for my kayak seat, so I can use it for a kayak as well. That's the plan. It's got a fin as well. Anyway, it's that's the box. Oh, it comes with a pump, air pump, paddle bag. It's got a cargo front. It's got deck pad, cargo front, deck pad, high pressure valve. It's got a tail kick as well, and a center fin. And yeah, it's all good, guy. Look at the price. I got it for half that. You see that? It's 600, almost $700. Jeez. Anyway, let's unbox. Alright. Alright, so what's we doing? Across there, using the little Gerber knife. Plastic. So top comes with the bag, and there's the paddle. There's the pump. Oh, I can smell that glue. There's the pump, and there's the paddle, the paddle board. And what else? Something else. Fin. Looks like the same system as the Aqua Marina. And right down the bottom, repair kit, which is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool kit. Look at that. Paddle, bag, repair kit, pump, fin, board. That's a pretty good deal. Let's try this. See what's in here. Oh, look, there's even glue. Far out. glue patches. Well, that's a cool deal. Well, neat. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Nice. Nice. All right. Let's keep going. That's good kit. Right. Let's put you down again. Having trouble here, so let's try it again. All right. Yeah, neat. Nice. Nice. Nice colour. Wow. That's pretty cool. So it's got a big chunk of foam on the back here. That's that click thing I was thinking about. This is a yeah. It's looks all good. Yeah. So it's got all the seats. Pretty cool. Nice. Nice. Looks like a good build, I reckon. It's got a good look to it. Yep. So now I need to try. I'm going to pump it up, and just I'll pump it up and try my seats. I'll stop it there and pump it up, and I'll video then. Okay. See you later. So that's it, pumped up. So it doesn't come with the seat. This is an Aqua Marina kayak paddleboard seat. And it hasn't got the Velcro to stop that slipping, but once you're sitting on it, it's not going to go anywhere, is it? And it's braced at the four corners. So it comes with the paddle. It's a small sort of paddle. It's not a full-size adult paddle. Comes with the pump, the bag, and the repair kit, which is quite good, and the fin. It's a good size, good valve. I've got the put a leash cord leash on it, and the Aqua Marina pump that I got. It's compatible with this zray valve, and yeah, get it out on the water next. Just a quick note, this is the same type of fin as the Aqua Marina fin. So this zray is quite compatible with Aqua Marina fins. Looks very similar. I'll check with when I'll dig out another Aqua Marina fin, but it looks very similar. Sure it is. These don't look as good quality though as the Aqua Marina fins. Feels a bit light and plasticky, but all good.